Did you know a father's moment of rage destroyed an entire empire? In November 1581, Tsar Ivan IV was arguing with his son and heir, Ivan Ivanovich, in their Moscow palace. The topic started with his pregnant daughter-in-law's clothing, but quickly turned to the disastrous Livonian War. The young prince criticized his father's military failures, demanding better strategies. Ivan's legendary temper began to boil. Words became screams. Accusations flew between father and son. Then in one explosive moment, the Tsar raised his iron-pointed staff. He struck his heir directly in the temple. Blood poured from the wound as the prince collapsed. Ivan immediately realized what he had done. For 3 days, he held his dying son, desperately trying to stop the bleeding. But it was too late. Russia lost its capable future ruler, leaving only the weak Fyodor to inherit the throne. One moment of uncontrolled anger changed the course of Russian history forever.